Welcome back, everybody. It's been a long time. Been away so long from making videos. Just haven't had the time. So now that the season is almost over, I'm gonna make a final few videos and then call it a season. So I guess this is it. Maybe another few weeks of riding before I call it a season. So you can see I got a new helmet, replacing my old red and black one. I had an accident about a month ago. Went down, hit my head, so I had to replace that helmet. Yeah, it was totally all my fault. Should not have been drinking, which I was. And all my senses weren't there. Took a turn, misjudged it, hit the curb, flew off. Nothing really happened to the bike. Maybe a couple of scratches on the back of the mirror. I think that's it. My saddlebag got messed up on the left side, some scratches. I got bumps and bruises. That was alright. But no more drinking and riding. That's it. That's the rule now. Yeah, it's cold. Woo! Feels good. So I haven't been making videos for a long time. I just got kind of lazy. Didn't have much time. But I wish that I had my camera running the night that I went down, because I would have liked to have seen what happened, because I pretty don't remember. I mean, I remember the turn, but after that, I think I blacked out. So but yeah, I wish I would have had my camera on. So I'm gonna try to take more videos, even if I'm just riding for the hell of it, like today. No topic, just a video. So I bought this new helmet. It's the Scorpion. I forgot what the model it is, but it says carbon fiber. It's a lot lighter than my other helmet, actually. Same brand name, Scorpion. Kind of stuck with Scorpion this time too. I like it because you can wear glasses with them, because I wear glasses, so when I put them in, it's like a little slot where they slide in. So this is my third Scorpion helmet. The other one that I have is a half helmet. Still have it. So I'm gonna try my best to make more video content, no matter what it is. Topic or no topic. Just whatever. Riding solo or riding with the crew. So until next time, peace. I'll see you around.